Rick Sadler, and today we're looking at the fourth axis gimbal. Yes. So this Osmo Pocket I've had for a while, and a superb little video camera for taking video in 4K. I normally shoot in 4K 60, but today we're going to look at the fourth axis gimbal, because this is a 3-axis gimbal. The fourth axis gimbal I bought from scottymakesstuff.com, and it's a 3D printed kit, and really I'm not going to review that, but what I'm going to look at is how this will stop, or I'm at stop, but help reduce the bounce. Your Osmo Pocket goes in there, and basically as you walk along this will bounce up and down to sort of dampen any effect that your walking has. If you're not very good at a ninja walk like me, then this will help to dampen out those footsteps. And we're going to check this running, and we're going to check it walking, and see how well it compares with and without it. So the Osmo Pocket in this fourth axis gimbal is ideal for vlogging. Because of the length of this arm and handle, you don't have to hold this out so far to get a decent image. Whereas normally if you just had the Osmo Pocket on its own, you really have to hold your arm out a long way. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment, and hit that little bell if you want to see videos from us, because if you hit the bell they'll inform you when we upload a video. So I hope you like this one, and I hope you stay till the end. So we're going to see you next time.